guys, it's Miss Steiger, and I know I usually do music stuff, but today I thought it would be a good idea to show you why washing your hands is so important. So you can ask a grown-up to help you with this, but you're going to need some water, some dish soap, some pepper, and a plate.
Hi, I'm Evan. I'm supposed to help you because I love you and give you hugs.
Aww. So today, Evan and I are going to show you why it's so important to wash your hands. Can you dump? Well, I'll help you. Okay, put the plate down. We're going to put the water in the plate. Okay. Now we're going to put the pepper in the water. Can you dump this in the water, buddy?
Uh-huh.
Be careful, dump it in the water, careful. Yep, let's just dump that all in there.
What are they doing?
Okay,
They're
so
swimming.
the pepper is germs. Are germs good or bad, buddy?
Bad.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Good. Can you take your finger and stick it in the germs?
No. No, no.
Look, Mama's gonna do it, see? Ew, gross.
I don't need to do that.
All right, Evan, you try it.
No.
Look, I'll help you. Stick your finger right in the pepper. Look, right here, I'll help you, right? 1, 2, 3. Let's see, you got germs on you? Ew, gross, nasty. All right, now take your soap, your other, no, not that finger, take your other finger.
What other
Take your other finger, other hand, bud. Nope, other one, that one. Okay, now stick it in the soap. Get it all nice and soapy. Okay, now, stick it in, whoa, look, stick it in the germs. Right there, stick it there. Nope, soapy hand, bud. Ew, look at that. All the germs went away. Cool. That was fun, wasn't it?
Okay. Make sure to wash your hands, wash soap and water. Thank you.